Yesterday's only I am talking about, na? 4p minus 3q whole square. This was the second question.
Yes, sir.
This was not done by both of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you know a minus b the whole square's formula? A square minus 2ab, sorry, minus 2ab plus b square. Are you aware of this formula?
So
No.
yesterday you taught this formula, sir.
So write it somewhere. If you know this formula, then it was so easy.
Yes, sir.
And what is this? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Write these formulas with star mark and write it important. Okay? Because this is class 7 level only. So you have to remember it. Now we have to apply the same formula in this question. Okay. Now here, what is A? In this question, what will be A?
So A will be 4p, sir.
Yes. And B is 3q, isn't it? Now we
Yes.
know that A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. That only we will
Yes, sir.
apply here. A square means 4p square.
Yes, sir.
Plus B square means plus 3q whole square.
Yes, sir.
Minus 2ab means minus 2 here, and then a is 4p, and then b is 3q, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Equal to 16p square, 9q square, minus 4 to the 8, 8 to the 24pq. Is this understood? Was this the option?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? The fourth option. Understood? Nemisha, Naman, both of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Take a
sir.
screenshot and remember these both. These two formulas are very important, okay?
Okay, sir.
Can you remember it?
Yes, sir.
Only one sign is changing, this minus 2ab, isn't it? All others will be positive only. I am clearing this now. So it was not difficult. If you are knowing the formula, it was very easy, isn't it? Naman, are you telling something?
Can you wait, sir?
Ah,
Taken, sir.
okay, I am clearing this. Now third question. What is the sum of a square by 2 plus b cube by 3? Nimisha, have you done this?
No, sir.
Minus c cube by 4. Have you tried?
Yes, sir, but I was not getting the answer.
Okay, let us see. Plus 2a square divided by 3 plus 3b cube. 3b cube divided by 4. Total questions were 10 only, na? Or 20?
10, sir.
Okay, minus 4c cube divided by 5 plus a square plus b cube plus c cube. Okay, this was the
Okay,
question.
sir.
We have to just add them. So we will first find out wherever a square is there. Here also a square is there.
Yes, sir.
Here
Yes, sir.
also a square is there. Okay, we will
A
write it
square plus-
systematically. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 whole, and then here comes a square. Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
we will search next one. This is b cube here. Let us search
6.
for b cube. 1 by 3. Now here also b cube is there, so it will be
Yes, sir.
plus 3 by 4, isn't it? And here also b cube is there, so it will be plus 1, and outside we will write b cube. Okay, now comes c cube. Okay, so here also one c cube is there, we can write plus 1, then minus 1 by 4, this one, minus
Yes.
1 by 4, then here also c cube is there, we can write minus 4 by 5 and whole into c cube, isn't it? Equal to. Now we will add first of all the values for a square, coefficient of a square. What will it be? 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay. Now the LCM
Yes.
is 6 by 6, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes,
can
sir.
1 by 2 can be written as 3 by 6.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this can be written as 4 by 6. 2 by 3 means 4
Yes,
by
sir.
6. Okay. Here we will write 4 by 6. Okay. Forget this one. Now this can be written as 6 by 6. Okay. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 by 6 a square. Is this understood, Naman?
Yes, sir.
Plus. Now here, this is the LCM will be 12. 4
Sir.
and 3 LCM will be how much?
12, sir.
12 now. So let us
Yes,
take all denominators as 12. If we are taking 12 here, that means 3 into 4 is 12. That means here
yes,
also
sir.
4 will be there, isn't it? 4 by 12. Here we will write 12. 4 into 3 is 12. So here 3 into 3 will be 9. 9 by 12. And here we can write directly 12
by
by
12.
12, isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
the numerators when added up, what will it be?
So
12 plus 9
25.
is 21 plus 4 25. 25 by 12, isn't it?
B cube.
B cube. Then let us take last one. 5 4s are 20. 20 will be the LCM.
Yes, sir.
This can be written as 20 by 20. This can be written as, if we are writing 20 here, means 4 into 5. So here also 5 will be there. 5 4s are 20. So here also 4 into 4 is 16. Now we can do 20 minus 5 is how much? 15. 15
Yes, sir.
minus 16 means minus 1.
By
Minus 1
20.
CQ by 20. Okay. Is this the option? Any of the options
Yes,
given?
sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it was so easy, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Naman,
Yes, sir.
now is the question looking easy?
Yes, sir.
You can do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then the next question is quadrilateral. I'm clearing this, or you want to have a screenshot?
I have taken, sir.
Okay, now fourth question. The angles of a quadrilateral. There is a, suppose, quadrilateral, okay? Angles are P plus 25. One is P plus 25 degree, okay? Then comes 2p degree. Let this one be 2p degree, okay? These are the angles. And let this be 2p minus 15 degree, okay? And the fourth one is p plus 20 degree, p plus 20 degree. These are the angles, okay? What is the
Okay,
value
sir.
of the smallest angle? What formula can be applied here? Any idea, both of you?
So angle sum property.
By angle sum property, what will be the sum of all the four angles?
So 360 degree.
That then it was simple if you know this property. Naman, are you aware of this property? Sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree.
Yes, sir.
Then it was not so difficult. Sum of angles equal to 360 degree. Okay. That means P plus 25 plus 2P plus 2P minus 15 plus P plus 20 will be equal to 360. Okay. Now let us take all with P. This is P, this is P, this is
2p
P.
plus 2p.
Then this is P. How many P's are there? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5P plus 1, 6P. Okay. You can write here 6P directly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now 25 minus 15 is how much? 10.
Yes,
Okay. 10 plus 20 is how much?
30.
30 equal to 360 degree.
Yes, sir.
So now here we can take 6 as common. 6 into P plus 5 is equal to 360. Or
Yes,
we
sir.
can write P plus 5 equal to 360 by 6. Remember, Naman,
Yes, sir.
this property
Yes, sir.
equal to 60. That means P will be equal to what? P plus 5 is equal to 60. That means P is equal to Naman.
5 degree.
Naman,
Sir?
P
Yes, sir.
plus 5 is equal to 60 degree. Now what will be the value of P?
P plus 5 equal to 60 degree. Then 60 minus 5 we get
Good. 60 minus 5 equal to 55
55.
degree. Was this the option? Okay, now you have to find out the smallest angle, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you have to find each one, like 2p degree. This one will be equal to how much? Twice of p is 110 degree, because p
Yes,
is
sir.
55, then double of it is 110 degree. Okay. How much will be this one? P plus 20, 75 degree. Okay. Now p plus 25, this angle, p plus 25 means 55 plus 25 means 80.
Yes, sir.
2p minus 15, twice of 55 is 110. 110 minus 15 minus 15 means 5. Here it will come 5 here. How much is left? 8.
Yes, sir.
85.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it so? Or 95?
Wait, sir.
Nimisha?
So 95.
Just like that. I have written wrong here. That's all. That's why.
No, sir.
Now twice of p minus 15 is 95 degree here. So which is the smallest of all the four?
Sir, 75 degrees.
Is this the option given in the quiz?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
75 degree is not given. 65 degree is the answer, isn't it? 65 degrees. So find out the mistake. So p 110. Or maybe the option is wrong. Let us check. Check it once. You also all.
Sir, the option is wrong.
And you can cross check by adding all this. If you add these four angles, will it be equal to 360 degree? See, 80 plus 110 is 190. Then
Yes.
comes 95 plus 75 means 170. 0, 6, 360 degrees, isn't it? So all the sum is also equal to 360 degrees, isn't it? So the option is wrong, okay? The option given in the quiz is wrong, okay? This is the right answer. The smallest angle is how much?
55 degrees.
75 degrees, isn't it? Okay, Naman, take a screenshot.
Taken, sir.
Now let us move to the next question, fifth one. Simplify. This also you have done, but that is wrong. Your answer is wrong. 2x plus 1 by 3y
Nice.
whole square minus 2x minus 1 by 3y whole square will be equal to how much? Now this is of the form a plus b whole square, isn't it? And this
Yes,
is
sir.
of the form a minus b whole square, and the formula is known to you now. So this will be a square plus b square
That's 2ab.
plus 2 into 2x into 1 by 3y. This is 2ab. Now minus a square. Then if you are writing inside bracket plus b square, that will be minus b square outside. Means minus b square means 1 by 3y whole square. Okay. And then it is inside minus 2ab. If it comes outside, it will be plus 2ab. Means plus 2 into a into b. Isn't it? Naman?
Yes, sir.
Understood this much?
Yes, sir.
Now this 2x square minus this 2x square will be 0.
Yes, sir.
This and this is equal, so there will be 0.
Yes, sir.
Now what is left? Here 2 into 2 is 4. 4 by 3 x and y you can write like this, isn't it? Plus here 4 by 3 x and y you can write is equal to how much it will be equal to? 4x by 3y plus 4x by 3y means twice of 4x by 3y.
Yes,
8x.
sir.
8x by, is this the option given in the quiz?
Yes, sir.
Given.
Yes.
So this is also not so difficult if you know the formula, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now should we move further? And if you are having doubts now, then in the options also you can take the values, like take x as 1 and y also as 1, and see that which of the options is matching. If you are taking x as 1 here and y also as 1 here, find the values of this whole, okay, what it comes out to be.
Okay, sir.
Like it will be 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1 by 3. Okay, this will be minus. Now here 2 minus 1 by 3 if I am taking 1 as x as well as y. Okay, so 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 2 minus 1 by 3 will be equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now in 8x by y, if I am writing 8x by 3y, 8 by 3, it comes out to be 8 by 3. So there is some, oh, here square was there, no? Square. Here we have to take square, then we have to do it, isn't it? So there will be, last we will get this one, 4x by 3y. So you can start from here also by writing 2 minus 1 by 3 is how much?
Sir?
2 minus 1 by 3. 1 second, this is 2 plus 1 by 3, na? That's why we
Yes,
are
sir.
doing, that's why we are getting 0. 1 second. This is 2 plus 1 by 3 whole square, and this is 2 minus 1 by 3 whole square. Now 2 plus 1 by 3 will be how much?
7 by 3, sir.
6 by 3 plus 1, 7 by 3, good. 7 by 3 whole, this is square, na? Square,
Yes, sir.
okay? Minus, this will be how much? 2 minus 1 by 3 means? 5 by 3?
Minus, yes, sir.
5 by 3 whole square, okay? Now 7 by 3 means 49 by 9, minus 5 by 3 whole square means 25 by 9, equal to
Yes.
49 minus 25 will be 24 by 9, 3 3s are, 3 8s are means 8 by 3 you are getting by
Yes,
taking
sir.
x and y as 1. Now the option which is given 8x by 3y will also be 8 by 3 when we take x as 1 and y as 1.
Yes, sir.
So if you are not knowing the formulas and confused, or you are having sufficient time to check whether your answer is right or wrong, so take the values of x and y as the simplest one which is possible. Don't take y as 0, because then it will be infinity, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If we are taking y as 0, then 1 by infinity, then you will be confused in that. Okay, understood?
Okay, sir.
Should I clear this page?
Yes, sir. Screenshot taken, sir.
Now, sixth question. What should be that you have done right? I think that is known to you. What should be the value of a if the value of the equation is 25 when x is equal to 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
do that, Naman? Sure.
Yes, sir.
If you are having any doubt, tell me. I will do it.
No, sir.
Okay, let us move to next one. That is seventh question. The number of scarves of length half meter that can be made from y meters of cloth is. Have you done this, Nimisha?
Sir, it was
Number
wrong.
of scarves. Suppose this is a scarf. Number of scarves of length half meter that can be made from y meters of cloth. The cloth is of y meters, okay, of cloth. The number of scarves of length half meter that can be made from the cloth of y meters will be equal to how much? Then y by half, that's all. If there is y meters of cloth, did you do the same the method, Nimisha? Y by 1 by 2?
Yes, I have done y by 2.
Y by 2. Why? Y by 1 by 2, na? If it is 2, you will do y by 2.
But sir,
Huh?
there is no option like that.
No, y by 1 by 2 will solve now. If it is written as y divided by 1 by 2, then what you will get? Y into 2 by 1 equal to
Yes.
2y. This much will be required. Is there any option 2y?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
First option is only 2y, isn't it? This was very simple question. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now let us move to next question, that is eighth one. Eighth question is simplify 4 by 11 into 66x plus 44 plus 3 by 11 into 33x minus 33, okay, equal to, now we have to solve it. This can be written as 4 by 11 into 11, 6x plus 4. Can we write like this? By
Yes,
taking
sir.
11 as common, okay?
Yes, sir.
Plus 3 by 11 into 11 into 3x minus 3. That's all. Can we write like
Yes,
this?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Will this 11 not cancel out?
Yes, sir.
Equal to 4 into 6x plus 4 plus 3 into 3x minus 3. Can we write like that?
Yes, sir.
Equal to 4 into 6 is 24x plus 16 plus 9x minus 9 equal
Yes.
to 24 plus 9 will be 33x
Yes, sir.
plus 16 minus 9 is how much?
Plus
Plus
16.
7.
Is this the option given in the quiz?
Yes, sir.
First option is only given 33x plus 7. Was it difficult?
No, sir.
Then now next one, ninth question. I think this is repeated, this question. Have you done it before? No. If c equal to x minus a divided by a minus b, okay, what is the value of x? It was so simple. Now this equation implies c into a minus b, c into a minus b will be equal to x minus a, or we
Yes.
can write x equal to, this a will come this side, c into a minus b plus a, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
C is equal to x minus a by a minus b. Find the value of x. X minus a equal to c into a minus b plus a equal to, you can write a common, a into c plus 1 minus bc. I think this type of answer is not there in the options, isn't it? BC minus a by c minus 1 is written. Okay, BC minus a by c minus 1. 1. Okay, let me see. C is equal to x minus a, c into c, so that means x. C into x minus b will be equal to x minus a, so x will be equal to x. Is there any x left here? C into x minus a by x. I think the question is wrong. Okay. Here, the question should be if c equal to x minus a by x minus b. Okay. Then you have to find out x. Then only I think this answer will come. Let us try it. C into x minus b will be equal to x minus a. Or we can write cx minus bc equal to x minus a. Or we can write cx minus x is equal to bc minus a, or we can write x into c minus 1 equal to bc minus a, or we can write x is equal to, wanted to find ix only, bc minus a divided by c minus 1. Is this the option? First option is
Yes.
this one. Okay, so this question was wrong. It means this is x. Okay, this was written as a in the question, so amend it and take a screenshot. Understood?
Taken.
Now let us do the next question, 10th one. The expression for the number of diagonals that can be made from one vertex of an n-sided polygon is, if there is a polygon, suppose there is a polygon like this, okay? And now let us take this as the vertex. How many diagonals can be drawn? You can draw here like this, and you can draw here also like this, isn't it? So how many sides are there? N is equal to how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides are there. And how many diagonals can be drawn from one vertex? 2. Is this understood?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Now, if the option, one of the options is given as n minus 3, okay, this will only be applied.
Yes.
5 minus 3 will be equal to 2, isn't it? So this is the answer. That's all. You have to just take an example and you can do it straight away. How many diagonals can be drawn from single vertex of a polygon? Is it difficult?
No, sir.
Understood all the questions?
Yes, sir.
Naman,
Yes, sir.
should I clear this page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today we will be doing some science, motion and time. Okay, for change of taste. You would have been bored by doing mathematics so much, isn't it? Motion and time. Okay, Naman.
Okay, sir.
Now, first of all, can you define motion? What is motion?
So motion, a thing a thing in motion, in move is, I don't know, sir.
Nimisha, can you define motion?
Change in movement with a duration of time.
Or with time? Yes. Any change in movement with time. If there is any movement with time, like any of the items is moving from A to B in suppose 1 second, this means that there is motion involved in it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Means motion can also be told as movement. There should be any movement of an item, isn't it?
Yes.
If we are using a word motionless, that means it is not changing its position with respect to time. Time is changing, but the distance covered is nil. Okay, so this is motion. Now we will see what are the types of motions. Types of motion. Okay, how many types of motion are known to you, Nimisha? Naman, have you gone through this chapter before?
So I think so.
Okay, now tell me how many types of motions you have learned.
So how motions, I don't
Types
know
of
about
motion,
motions.
Nimisha.
So 4.
Okay, tell me which one first.
Rectilinear motion.
Rectilinear. What does that mean?
So means in a straight path.
in a straight path, है ना? Like linear word is also there. Means
Yes.
it is going linearly. Okay, that is self-understood. Then
Circular motion.
circular. That means in a circular manner. Okay,
Yes.
that is not also difficult. Okay, then
Rotational motion.
rotational motion. Rotational
Means rotating in its own axis.
there is one axis, okay, and it is just rotating around that, isn't it? So this is
Yes.
called rotational. And
Periodic.
periodic. What does that mean? Periodic motion.
Means it repeats it.
It repeats itself in a definite period,
Yes.
isn't it? After each and every period, specific period, like after each 2 seconds, it will again come back to the same position. Like this is A, it is moving somewhere and it is coming to suppose the same position taking 2 seconds. Now again it will move from here to here and it will come in 2 seconds only, isn't it? Means
Yes.
it repeats the same position after definite period of time. Okay, that is called periodic motion.
Like pendulum.
Like pendulum. Have you seen pendulum?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, it moves like this. Now rotational. Any example?
So Earth.
Earth. Earth rotates on its axis, that you have already learned, isn't it, Naman?
Yes, sir.
Now circular motion.
So moon around Earth.
Moon around Earth. Okay, moon around Earth. Okay, Naman.
Earthworm, sir.
And rectilinear, earthworm.
A bullet.
Earthworm is also right, and bullet is also right. Okay, bullet. So all the four terms are understood: rectilinear, circular, rotational, and periodic.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Naman. Now let me clear this. If you want, take a screenshot of this. Taken. Hello, Naman. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Have you taken screenshot?
Taken, sir.
Now you have heard about uniform and non-uniform motion.
Yes.
Naman. Naman, you are not audible. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard this, Naman? Uniform motion
Yes, sir.
and non-uniform. Then define.
Yes, sir.
What is uniform motion?
A body moving in straight line covers equal distance in equal time.
A body moving in a straight
Straight
line.
line path covers equal distance in equal intervals of time.
How will be its graph?
So
If I am drawing a graph like this,
yes,
this
sir.
x-axis will
In
be
a
time.
straight line, sir. In a
Suppose
straight
this
line.
is x-axis, this is y-axis.
Y-axis.
And this is suppose what? Distance traveled, isn't it?
Yes, sir. This down is time.
So you mean to say this straight line?
Yes. No, sir. This
Slant. Slant one.
yeah.
Like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And non-uniform will be, suppose
Sir,
this is
in a
time.
curved line, sir. It will be in a curved line. Like
It can be any. It can be like this. It can be like this. It can be like this, isn't it? Anything
Yes,
it may
sir.
be. So this is called non-uniform motion. Uniform motion will always be covering the distance proportional to the
equal.
time, isn't it? If it is going from this position to this position in suppose 2 minutes, then from this position to the same distance it will cover again in 2 minutes. If this is 2, this will be 4, isn't it? Okay, understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay, and any other graph, Nimisha? Like if we are drawing a graph like this for this and that, suppose this is vehicle A and this is vehicle B, okay? And this is the time and this is the distance traveled. Which one is moving faster, Naman? A or B?
So don't do so.
Which one is traveling with more speed? See, this is time. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, okay? And this is the
Okay.
distance 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. This is 1, this is 2. This is you have seen graphs, now you have used it.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
3, 4. Now suppose car A is moving like this and car B is moving here, okay? In 1 hour, how much A is covering? If we are extending a line with scale like this, now it will be covering, suppose this one, that is 2.5.
Yes, sir.
Suppose this is kilometer, okay? Now the car B will be covering how much in the same time? It is covering here, it is less
Yes.
than 1 even, isn't it? So which is
Yes.
faster?
Eight.
Car is, sir.
The car that covers more distance in the same time, isn't it?
Yes.
So these questions will also be coming with the help of graphs. You have to show which one is faster or which one is slower, okay?
So stationary motion also.
Yes, stationary. How the graph will be, Naman?
Just
I don't know, sir.
See,
In my
just
book,
like this.
it's not mentioned.
This is x, this is y, okay? Now suppose this distance is 5 kilometer and the time is changing 0, 1, 2, 3. Whatever time will be there, the distance traveled is the same, that is 5 kilometer. It is just static, isn't it? So it is called stationary because distance is not changing now. It is already at 5 kilometer in the starting when the time was 0, and after 3 to 4 hours also it is at the same position. If we are taking this point, then also distance will be 5 only. From y-axis you can see this is also 5 only, this is also 5 only, isn't this 5? Everywhere it is having the same distance, okay? So this is called
stationary
motion or stationary object, okay?
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
You want to have a screenshot, you can take.
Taken, sir.
Okay, I'm clearing. Now, do you know the formula of distance and speed and time relation, Naman?
So distance.
The relation between distance, speed and time.
So speed, distance covered by body, time taken.
Okay, means can we write here distance is equal to
speed into time.
Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now suppose the distance traveled is 20 kilometer and time taken for that is half an hour. Okay. So what will be its speed? Can you tell me how to find out the speed, Naman?
So first 20 by half an hour.
First we will write what? We have to find out speed.
Speed.
So speed will be equal to, what is the formula?
So speed, distance by time.
Distance by time. Okay. Distance by time I have written. Now what to write after that?
So distance is 20 kilometers and time is 1.5 hours.
20 kilometer and time is half hour. Okay. Now
Yes.
what to write?
So now how can we cancel it? How can we cancel it, sir?
Nimisha?
So 20 into 2 by 1.
20 into 2 by 1 is right, and you can also write it, Naman, if you are confused in such questions, just try to multiply here by 2. Then this will be 1. 2 by 2 will cancel out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But here also you will have to multiply by 2. Okay. To make it simple,
Yes,
you can
sir.
do like this also if you are having such fractional confusions. Okay. Is equal
Okay,
to
sir.
how much? If you are multiplying numerator as well as denominator with 2, then 20 into 2 is left, that is 40, and kilometer and divided by hour, that is also called as 40 kilometer per hour. Is this understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Take a screenshot and try to do such questions in such way also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You should have 2 or 3 tricks to do that, and by all 2 3 tricks you will have to get the same answer. Okay. You have to cross check it always. Okay. Now I'm clearing this page.
Okay, sir.
Now speed is equal to 40 kilometer per hour we have got. Okay. Speed is equal to 40 kilometer per hour, isn't it? Or you can write it as 40 kilometer per hour, isn't it? Now you have to convert it to kilometer per minute. Can you do it?
So kilometer per minute.
Okay, now see how to do. Nimisha, can you do it?
Sir, it is a unit.
Huh? Kilometer
It
per
is a-
minute. If in an hour it is covering 40 kilometer, now we can ask him that in 1 minute how much kilometer you have covered. Can't we
Yes,
ask
sir.
like that?
We if there is hour, then we can do into 60.
First, I am writing here 40 kilometer by hour, okay, or 1 hour you can write equal to. Now what should I write?
So 40 kilometer by 60 minutes.
By 60 minutes. Okay, good. Now here we have got kilometer, here we have got minutes. This only we wanted. Naman understood how to convert?
Yes, sir.
Now this 0 will cancel out. Here we can write 2 2s and 2 3s, isn't it? Is equal
Yes, sir.
to 2 by 3 kilometer per
Minute.
minute, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me, Naman, you have to convert it to meter per second. Okay, how much meter per second can it be converted to? Can you do it?
No, sir.
Sure, you can't even try.
I don't know, sir. In my
Why?
book, it's not mentioned on
But I
me, sir.
have shown you this formula how to convert. Then you can
Yes,
try
sir.
this also, na, in the same way by applying logic. We can write
Okay.
here 2 kilometer divided by 3 minute. Can't
Yes,
we write
sir.
like this?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to convert kilometer to what?
Minute.
In minute. Then sorry, kilometer to meters.
Meter.
This is meter per second. Sorry. Now in kilometer, how much meter are there in 1 kilometer?
So 1 kilometer, 100 meters, sir.
100 meter. Wow.
Don't know, sir.
Nimisha?
So 1,000 meters.
1000. If you don't remember it, write it with star mark. Okay. These
Okay,
are the
sir.
basics. You have to remember it. Now, if 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, okay, right here, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay. Then what will be the value of 2 kilometers?
2000 meters.
That is 2 into 1000 meters, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Meters. Here we have to write m also, okay, or meters. Divided by. Now, in the denominator, we want in seconds, not in minutes, okay? Now, how to
Yes,
convert
sir.
it? In the same way
3.
as we converted 3 into what?
60.
60. Good. Seconds. That's all. Now we are getting a meter in numerator and second in denominator. Now,
Yes,
1
sir.
0 let us cancel out.
So in 1 hour there are not 60 seconds.
1 hour. I'm talking about here minute. Na? Here it is written 3 minutes. In 1 minute there are 60 seconds. Miss Nimisha. Is it understood? If 1 minute has 60 seconds, then 3 minutes will be having how much seconds? 3 into 60, na?
260.
Okay. Now 1 0 cancelled out. Now 2 3s are 6 and 2 into 50 is 100. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it will be equal to 15 to 2 is 100 divided by
Yes, sir.
9 meter per second. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
Is this understood?
Yes.
Taken screenshot.
Taken, sir.
So from what we have subtracted and written 50?
50 by 2 3s are 6 and 2 50s are 100. 1 0 was cancelled out from 60 and 1000. Okay. Now 100 by 6 is left. If there is 100 by 6, then we can do 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10 and 2 zeros are, because double of 50 is 100.
So but
Understood.
in the denominator there is not 2.
By 2 we have cancelled, na? 2 3s are 6 is there.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Or you can do like this: 100 by 6, 100 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. Can you do like this?
Yes,
What is
sir.
100 by 2? 100 by 2 is 50 and 60 by 2,
50.
6 by 2 is 3. Then you can get 50 by 3 and 3 and 1 2 is here also and 1 3 is here also. So 50 into 2 is 100, 3 into 3 is 9. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Naman understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if we are having a question like, 1 second. Is this box appearing to your board also? Please move this window away.
So not it is written, but the figure is there.
Figure is there. 1 second. Now it is not there?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose you have been given speed as 36 meters per second, Naman. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you have to convert it to per second. You have to convert it to kilometer per hour. Okay. Can you try it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me. First, I will write 36 meters
Yes, sir.
divided by 1 second. Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Equal to. Now what I'm going to write here?
So now 36 meter into 36 into 100, sir.
36 into 100. Why?
So because 36 meters to 1000 kilo into 36 into 1000, so we can.
36 into 1000 we have to do when we have to convert from kilometer to meters. Here we have to
sir.
convert from meter to kilometer. Okay, means
Okay, sir.
opposite of multiplication. We will have to
Divide.
divide here by 1000. Okay, to make it
Okay,
in
sir.
kilometer. This meter will go away. We'll write here kilometer. In the same way, now here, if we are going to convert 1 second to hours, then what to do?
1 second into hours. 1 second into 60 minutes.
Nimisha,
1 in divided
sir.
by 60.
how to convert 1 second to hour?
So 1 divided by 60.
1 divided by 60 will be in minutes only. Now we have to convert it in hours.
So 1 divided by 1.
1 divided by 1, that will be 1 only. Means 1 second is
Yes,
equal to 1
sir.
hour. Can 1 second be equal to 1 hour? Are they equal?
No, sir.
1 second if divided by 60 will be in minutes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And let us write it in minutes only here. Okay. 1 by 60 minutes that you can write now is equal to 36 by 1000. Let this be remain same. Now 1 by 60 minutes. Now we have to convert it in hours. That means 1 by 60 and again into 60 you can do.
Yeah. Yes, sir. It
This
means
will be 3600 and this is in now what?
hour.
Hour. Okay. Equal to, now what can we write? Huh?
So,
See here, 3, I already told you if you are having confusion, 3, 6, here you can multiply by, here also you multiply by 1000 and here also multiply by 1000 first of all. Okay. Now above we are getting 36 only and here we are getting 2 zeros will cancel out here also. Then it will be what? 10 by 36. Isn't it?
yes.
Equal to 36 into 36 by 10 also you can write, or you can multiply here by cross multiplication. Into 36 by 10 you can write. Then you will have to do here also 36 by 10, isn't it? So here both will cancel out. Here will be 1 and above we are getting 36 into 36 by 10, isn't it? This is
Yes,
in
sir.
kilometer per hour. Understood? There are many methods, but you have to cross
So
check
we
it.
can simplify it also.
You can simplify it also. Here we are getting 2 5s are 10 and 2 18s are 36. And now you can write it as 5 3s are 15, then 5 6 are 30. 3.6 into 36 you have to do. Okay. It will be in kilometer per hour. Understood?
Yes.
Naman?
Yes, sir.
So today's quiz will be based on such questions only.
Okay, sir.
So revise this one. Now only you can take screenshot, revise and see your book also. And then best of luck for the quiz also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we will meet on Monday.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye
Thank you,
bye.
sir.
Welcome.